Hey everyone, how are you? Welcome to Backspace. In this useful Microsoft Word tutorial, we will learn how to save an image from Word as a transparent PNG quickly and professionally. This method is perfect for creating logos, stickers, signature, icon, graphics and watermarks images with no background. If you want to clean PNG images without white backgrounds, this tutorial is exactly which what you need. So let's get started. At first you have to open your document. Now I am go some down and insert a image from my file. Go to the insert menu, click the picture option, then choose picture from our file. Now I am select this and click insert, then select the image. Go to the format menu first, click the wrap text and choose in front of text because you can move the picture and resize freely. Then go to back again the format, click the remove busy option and click keep change. We can see here not the background. Now click right button on the image, then click save picture, then choose your location and here the picture type. Now I am select the portable network graphics. This is a PNG. Now I am write my name of this picture, click save, then go to the download and here the image. We can see this image is a PNG. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.